Hello and welcome. This is Andreas Kronwald from Grundig Security. I'm product manager for the NVR series, and today I would like to show you our brand new 16-channel NVR for full HD real-time recording. Here you can see the device. It's the front side with the two USB connectors, the hard disk and network LEDs, and here in the center is the receiver for the IR remote control. On the back side we have the power connector, serial connection, audio in-out, another USB port, the eSATA port, HDMI or VGA port, and here you have a built-in PoE switch with 8 PoE ports, 100 Mbit per second and 2 gigabit ports, one for the connection to the internet and one for a connection to a separate 8-channel PoE switch. But today I would like to show you the installation of a hard drive, or how to replace a hard drive. And it's very easy, very convenient. You just need to remove two screws, one on this side and one on the other side, and then you can just remove the complete front panel. And here you can see there's a connector for the front panel, and you have 5 hard disk ports with plastic sliders. These are the plastic sliders, and I just installed a hard drive. You can see it's fixed with 4 screws to the plastic slider, and if you look on the back you see the SATA ports in there, so you just really need to put in the hard drive, slide it in, and that's it. When you're finished with your installation, just place the cover, tighten the screw, and you're done. Thank you very much for your attention. Next time I will show you how to start the device.